What's up, guys? It's your boy Valid back here today in Airplane Story, but this time we're playing Chapter 3. In the previous chapter, we managed to kill the black monster which was haunting us for many flights. He was one of the most rudest characters we have seen, but there was a twist. There was a dark side of him. Sadly, he had a really sad story. I don't know what his name was, but he was a character that has no friends. Okay, let's begin. I'll tell you the story later. Everyone, welcome. You are probably wondering where I gathered you guys here. Yes. Okay, so and he was a poor boy with no friends, and he liked to read news about plane crashes. So he tried to do a plane crash, but he had a heart attack. I'm Roblox, your state's army general. Today we are gonna play what is happening in this. Okay, you can call me General Poncho. Oh, Poncho, I think I recognize you, Poncho. From this point, everything I say should be taken as an order, okay? Or else you will be expelled from the team. Sounds pretty easy enough, General Poncho. Aye, aye, Captain. Okay, thanks. Sit down, you dum-dum. I don't know why this random player joined me. But guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I was inspired by many YouTubers like Mr. Beast, Think Noodles, and so more. And I wanted to make a point. Okay, let's get to the point. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss one of our videos like this one. Stay tuned for chapter 4 as well. Okay. Doesn't this look like the president? His name was Ronald, if you remember. This is our target. Okay. His name is Ronald. Wait. We have to kill the president? We have investigated, and all we know is he is a dangerous Robloxian. Okay, what did he do? True. That is where we are heading. Okay, so the next step. Okay. Ronald has kidnapped the captain of an airplane. Okay. Oh no. Everyone in that plane must be in danger. True. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying in an autopilot mode, which means everyone is safe. Okay. Our mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. Sounds pretty easy, General Poncho. We will find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. Okay. But how will we get to the plane? This gate looks odd. Good question. Follow me. Wait, I think I should wait a little. So we're going down. Guys, sorry the video paused out of nowhere. Okay, so we're going down. General Poncho says, where did the other player? No, where is he? Oh, what is this area? Whoa, look at that giant plane. Whoa, Airplane 3. Look at this area. Wait, we can equip it? Can we get this? Oh, VIP. That's expensive. No need, I'm just gonna wear this. This looks so cool. But first, let's get everyone set up. I think we're already done set up. We are not leaving this place without a military suit. Okay, that sounds easy enough. Yeah, we have already done it, so... I think we need gasoline for this plane. It looks like there's slots there. The system just... Wait, there's pilots in the plane. Looking good. Believe we are ready. I believe we are ready. Okay, let's go and save the plane. Okay, let's check the system. Okay, checking plane. What are you spamming? You're spamming nothing. Okay, not enough fuel. Guys, that was true. We need to get fuel. Oh no, it looks like we don't have enough fuel. Make sure to watch till the end because the ending will be crazy. We will need to fill the plane tank completely before we take off. There's a nozzle, four of them around this cave. I need you to help me connect the plane. Okay. Two for me, two for... Okay. He does these two while I do the other two. Okay. Okay. Fill the tank once it's all nozzles in place. Okay. Let's get it. Okay. Okay, go. Jump. I almost touched it. It was electric, I guess. Okay, got it. Okay, I got the yellow nozzle. Let's put it there. Okay, let's get this one. The blue one, I guess, yeah. It's the blue one. Okay, I think this is electric, so we better not touch it. Okay, we got the blue. Okay, just like my suit. Okay, I guess that one is also general. Wait, I see something. Okay, let's place this. There's a teddy there. Did you guys see it? Yeah, see, there's a teddy there. Oh, look at this. Weird. Okay, I thought I was falling. Filling the tank now. Teddy. Okay, filling tank. Okay, why is it still red? It should be orange and making to... Oh, so it just gets full. Ah, now we are ready. Okay, well, let's just go then. What is this for? Okay, I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark. Okay, his name is Clark. He will be our pilot through this mission. System is ready, General. Please start the engine, pilot. Okay, starting the engine. The wings gonna move? Oh, bro, they just started so quickly. Engine's ready. They started like, boom, like, bro, it comes, okay. Where am I? Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna sit in here. But why does it look like you're crying like a baby? Are you doing the I want you crying for me trend? But in a different form, like... Or are you doing the... whatever he's doing. Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Closing door. Okay, can I get out? Whoa, I can't like this is a raft. Whoa, this airplane is small. But let's just sit down. Okay, so I got Teddy. This is Teddy. Okay, we're flying in the... Oh, bananas. I like bananas. I like to eat. And my energy is drained. We still have a few hours until we get there. Okay. What do we do now? There's something about this Ronald guy. At first sight, he looks like a good person. Yeah, he does look like a good person. Why would he do something like that? Yeah. Wait, he's trying to crash the plane, isn't he? General. Yeah, I was talking about these bananas. Yeah. Why am I asking this? I want bananas. Hey, you stupid dude! Get out of my way, Robux user. Okay. Oh, yum yum. I like bananas. I eat them every day. Okay. Let's just go to sleep. What are you doing? Wait, what? Don't eat the banana. What do you mean, do not eat the bananas? What? No, I ate mine. Oh, dang. What? Yell. Dude, why would you do that? Ha ha. I'm just kidding. What do you mean, you dumb dumb? It's an old prank. That's not funny, General. Yeah, it's not funny to troll other people, you dumb dumb. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. Just had to prank us and oh my god, the plane is giant. Look. Okay, let's just take a nap because I am gonna go. Um uh well, I'll make okay. I'll wake you up when it's time. Um, um, I will woke up. Where's the other part? Oh, time to wake up, everyone. Time to wake everyone. Oh my god, the plane changed you. Okay, and it's looks like we are inside a storm. True, we need to be ready in case we have to. General, we have been struck by lightning. Wait, the wing looks. Oh dang. Our motor is in critical danger. Oh shucks. I'm not okay. Yeah, that does that mean that we'll die? Okay, everyone, chill. What does that mean? This area looks. I guess I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Out there? Bro, what do you mean? Oh my god, bro. Oh hell nah, man. What the fuck, man? Now we're freaking outside with General Poncho. Bro, I recognize this guy from a different game. His name is General Poncho. The storm is getting worse. Worse. I will fix the motor and quickly as I can. Go fix it then. Not my problem. We can fall off this plane, but I... Okay, struck by lightning. What do you mean, struck by lightning? I'm gonna stand here on the back of the plane. 6. What are these? Oh my god! Lightning! Oh, shook. Oh, shit. I gotta like zoom out. Like, if there's like, and this area is safe. I mean, there's no lightning here. It's just around me. Oh, I think I should get away from it. It sounds pretty easy till now. Holy, there's lightning. Shoo, shoo, this is getting fast. It's just so much. Oh, shucks. Oh! Yay, we can go back down, I guess. There you are, General Poncho. I've seen such a, I've never seen, bro, what are you doing? Stuck in, what the heck? There's a skeleton. There's a skeleton. What is that? Get inside, come on. You will not stop this fate. Burn. Why are you shaking? Oh, fire. Let me go quickly inside the plane. Oh, phew. Whew, that was a close call. What is going on outside? Where's the skeleton? Pilot, is everything okay? Where is the skeleton? Yeah, I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean you don't know what you're talking about? The giant skeleton. Are you blind? Oh, look, my hat. I'm dead. We didn't see no skeleton, General. Why is there medication store? Okay, never mind. Let's keep moving. We're almost there. Oh, you ruined my sleep, stupid. Ugh, this is bad. Are we here yet? Oh yeah, we are. Where's the aeroplane that we're supposed to? Okay, okay, perfect. Everyone, pay close attention. Okay. Okay. We need to get everyone out safely before Ron and go after Ron. Okay, let me go then. Once we are in there, we just have one chance. Look, the plane is flying in such big thunderstorm. Good luck, soldiers. Oh my. We just disappeared. Like, there's no freaking. We're in the plane. Okay. This is it. Look, we have to find something that breaks it. Yeah, let's go. Wait a minute. Why does it look like this? Oh no, we better hurry. Check this door. Okay. See if you can find anything that opened this door. Okay. Look, there's a hammer. Great, you found him. That will work. Okay. Break it down. Break down the board, General. Break him out. Break him down. Break him down and down. Let's go in. Come on. Okay, come on. Okay. There's so many people. It's over, Ronald. How did you get here? What do you mean, how did we get here? Okay, come on. Look. Stupid. Come back. Look, these are tired passengers. We have to save them. Yeah, go after him. First we have to save. Yeah, see, we have to save everyone on the plane. It's going warning everywhere. Save. Okay, we just, I guess, go near them. Come on. Okay. Unsave this. Okay, come on. Wait, no, he even tied a child. What is wrong with this dude? Okay, let's untie this dude. Okay, there's this one left. Do it, Ronald, I'm breaking in. Come on. Yeah, the captain, come on. Let me go, I'll do it. This is it. Come on. I know how to break down the door. Who wants to be a hero? Me. I'll do it. Let's go. Alright. We trust you, Rib Dragon will lead. Please stay. Wait, where did the other person? He's still here? Ronald, open the door. We can work this out. True. Leave the captain alone. You know what you're about to do, Ronald. Yes, let the captain go. You're not allowed to do this. Yeah, you don't understand anything. What do you mean? You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. What are you gonna tell? No, no, no. What is wrong, Ronald? Just tell me the reason. Tell us what made you do this. Ever since I was a child, everyone made fun of me. When I had problems, there was no one there. You don't have to do this. All I ever wanted is a friend. We can be your friends. We can be your friends. Just let the captain go, please. Friends? Would you really do that for me? Yes. Yes, we would. Because you're a good person inside. Yes. You're not a bad person. It's never too late to do things. Come on, Ronald, do not give up so quickly. Come on, I will. I will become a good person. Come on, release the captain. Quickly. What do you mean, ... What? I'm not feeling well. Wait a minute. Isn't that a heart attack? Wait a minute. Is this the ghost? Wait, isn't this the ghost? Oh my god, we can't go further. This fire. Come on. General Poncho, you have to do something. Yeah, we have to do something. Why are you tying your shoes? There's no time. The plane is about to explode. Then what do we do? It's not our problem. Take this parachute. Where is it? Give it to me. Okay. Come on. Come on. But we're not leaving out without you. Come on. But General, what about you? Yeah, what about you? We won't leave you here. Come on. Come on. There's no time. Just go. It was a pleasure working with you, soldiers. Come on. Okay, we have to go where the... Come on. Is this where we go? Do we jump? No. We are parachuting. No. No, come on. What? What? No. General Poncho, where are you? We can't leave you behind. Oh, no. Oh my god, no. What is going on? No. Please. Don't let the plane crash. Oh my god. What is this island? Wait, isn't that a jet? Isn't that our jet? Where's General Poncho? Why do we have to do this? What? What? What are you guys celebrating? Military soldiers? Who are you? Why are you mad? You're the... Yeah, that's the child. What do we do now? Where's General Poncho? Ronald and the others. Where is that? What do you mean? Thanks for saving my dad. Hey, Captain, you made it. Where's Ronald and General Poncho? I did. Thanks for saving my life. We didn't. General Poncho did. But where is General Poncho? Yeah. General Poncho gave his... Where... Then where is Ronald? General Alex, he's a hero. And so are you. Thank you for your service, soldiers. Oh my god. No, I know General Poncho will be proud wherever he is. Oh. There he is. Whoa. That was not what I expected. Poor General Poncho and Ronald. Oh my god. That was a sad story. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, oh look, that the person that escaped with me is here. So shout out to this dude. By the way guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of our videos like this one. Without further ado, we're gonna make a chapter 4 soon, and till then, see you, bye bye.